फूड एलर्जी व्हाटएवर किसी भी तरह का
Dr. Jagatram, welcome you to Media for Pillar.
थैंक यू सो मच।
16 जनवरी आज का दिन हिस्ट्री में लिखा जा सकता है क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस की जो वैक्सीन है पहली बार हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को लगी है। आपके यहाँ भी कुछ रेजिडेंट्स ने इसे लगवाया है खुद को। आपका क्या मैसेज है सभी हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को इस कोविशील्ड को लेकर?
आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि जो आज का दिन है ये बहुत बड़ा हिंदुस्तान की, हमारे भारत की हिस्ट्री में बहुत बड़ा दिन है, क्योंकि जो वर्ल्ड का, सारी दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा टीकाकरण जो दिवस है आज का है। आज से ऐसी शुरुआत होगी कि दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा टीके हिंदुस्तान में लगेंगे। और जो वैक्स जैसे कि हालांकि मतलब जो हमारा कोविड-19 के जो नंबर है वो काफ़ी कम आ रहे हैं, जो कुछ बच्चे भी है उसको एलिमिनेट करने में, उसको ख़त्म करने में हम लोग डेफिनेटली कामयाब होंगे। अभी तो जो हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट फेज में जो वैक्सीनेशन की है वो हेल्थ केयर वर्कर की शुरुआत की है, और इसमें हम लोग जब हेल्थ केयर वर्कर को कंप्लीट करेंगे तब दूसरी सेकंड फेज़ में जो हाई रिस्क ग्रुप है, कोमोर्बिडिटी वाला, या जिनका एज ग्रुप 50 ईयर और मोर है, उसकी तरफ हम लोग कंसंट्रेट करेंगे। और सारे मतलब कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी को छोड़ा जाएगा, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, सभी को टीका लगाया जाएगा।
जी डॉक्टर साहब, आपके पास पहले जैब में कितने वायल्स आए हैं?
अभी एक्चुअली जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया है उन्होंने अभी जो हमें बताया कि जो इसके वैक्सीन के वायल है वो स्टेट या यूटी के थ्रू सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स को दिए जाएंगे।
जी
तो अभी हमारे पास 1000 वायल्स हमें एलोकेट किए हैं पीजीआई के लिए।
जी
और धीरे धीरे वो संख्या बढ़ती जाएगी, क्योंकि जो हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ है
जी
वो 11,500 से ऊपर है।
जी जी
तो 11,500 एम्प्लॉयज़ को अगर आप सामने रखो तो उसमें 2 डोज लगानी है। जैसे पहली डोज लगी
जी
तो एक सेकंड डोज लगेगी, तो लगभग 23,000 के करीब हमें इतनी डोजेज की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी पीजीआई के लिए।
जी डॉक्टर साहब, कई ज़्यादा स्पेकुलेशंस हैं, कई खबरें हैं जो लोगों के मन में भ्रम पैदा करती है। सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू टेल यू नो टू डिबंक दिस स्पेकुलेशंस? व्हाट इज़ योर मैसेज?
बिल्कुल, मैं तो ये समझता हूँ कि कोई भी अफवाह है या कोई भ्रम पैदा करने वाली कोई बात है उसकी तरफ हमें ध्यान नहीं देना है, क्योंकि जो जैसे चाहे कोविशील्ड है चाहे कोवैक्सीन है, ये पूरे एक साइंटिफिक तरीके से इसका ट्रायल हुआ है, और इसमें कोई मेजर साइड इफ़ेक्ट हमें मिला नहीं है। और तो हमें पूरा एक विश्वास के साथ हमें आगे बढ़ना है, और इसमें कोई अफवाहों की तरफ बिल्कुल ज़रा भी ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए हमें।
जी, थैंक यू सर. Here we have MS Dr. Nagpal, Dr. VK Nagpal with us, who got himself inoculated with Covishield corona vaccine. Sir, when did you get yourself vaccinated and how do you feel now?
Around 1 hour back, I got myself vaccinated, and I'm totally comfortable. I didn't have any side effect after the vaccine. Even the pain flick was not there, so intense. I'm very happy to get myself vaccinated and feel more confident after getting myself vaccinated.
Sir, today, how many health workers will get this corona vaccine?
Around 100 workers will get vaccinated today.
Okay.
Or 35 had already got the vaccine. And in forenoon session, we're expecting around 50 people will get vaccinated and 50 afternoon session.
Okay, including you, who else in the officials got themselves vaccinated?
Our Director Health Services got herself vaccinated. I got vaccinated, and most of the doctors, around 20 doctors, got themselves vaccinated. Apart from our class 4 employees, our paramedicals, our staff nurses, that includes the list of the beneficiaries today.
Your message to the rest of the colleagues?
It's absolutely safe vaccination. They should go for it. It will increase self-confidence in them, and they will be able to work better fearlessly after getting themselves vaccinated.
Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. This day can be marked in history today. You, all of you three are doctors, and you've been inoculated with COVID vaccine, Covishield. So, you know, there have been speculations when would vaccine come, and if it comes, will it have efficacy or not? And to start with you, kindly introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Sumit Kumar Gupta. I am a senior surgeon in GMS at 16.
Okay. So you have inoculated yourself with Covishield.
Yes.
How do you feel right now?
I'm quite fine. There is no problem at all. During vaccination, even after vaccination, I'm doing well.
Can you please tell me who else than you, your officials, including DHS, MS, they also have inoculated themselves with it?
Just right now, they have done. Just before me.
Okay. Okay. Here is, yes, sir. Can you introduce?
I am Dr. Devinder, HOD Dental Department, EMS Sector 60. I got an injection 1 hour before. I am fine. There was apprehension that little bit I will have a pain of the injection, but very fine. It is not painful. Neither I have any problem of this.
Yes, sir.
I'm Dr. Manhankar, in charge of the ENT department in It is the beginning of end of COVID-19 in India, this vaccination. That is the historic part of it.
I'm Dr. Manjinder Singh Randhawa. I'm senior resident in the pediatric critical care department of PGI Chandigarh.
You've been inoculated with the COVID vaccine Covishield, and you are the first one in PGI to have it. And there are many speculations about it, about the vaccine, about the kind of vaccines that are coming in India. What do you have to say about it?
I think whenever a new thing is introduced, there are always speculations about it. But I'm confident that the vaccine has been developed with the best scientific methods possible, and the safety and efficacy has been well established. So I'm not worried about that. I think it is quite safe and anyone can get it.
Okay, you would be given second dose, I think, after 28 days.
Yeah.
And are you sure that you would be immune to it?
No one can be sure. So every vaccine comes with an efficacy based on the studies that have been conducted. So this vaccine has been found to be around 60 to 70% efficacious. So I think 60% is better than 0%.
Yeah.
So definitely it'll be advantageous to anyone.
What is your message to your colleagues?
I think everyone should come forward to take the vaccine so that confidence is developed in the general public regarding this vaccine, that it is safe. The frontline workers are ready to take the vaccine voluntarily, and there is nothing to be afraid about.
You have been, deputed in COVID duty also?
Yes, I've done COVID duties.
Okay. So, is there any, fear in your family that you are going to take the vaccine today?
Not at all, not at all. I come from a family of doctors. Both my parents are doctors, and I'm sure they'll be quite happy that I'm getting the vaccine.
Where are you hailing from?
All good?
Yeah, all good, sir. All good.
Where are you hailing from?
I am primarily from Jalandhar, Punjab.
Okay.
Yeah. And now I'm doing my DM pediatric critical care here at PGI.
Okay. All the best, doctor.
Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Muthuve. I am doing DM pediatric critical care here. I volunteered myself for COVID vaccination.
Okay.
I just got a shot. I'm not feeling any symptom. While getting the shot, I just had mild pain at the site of injection. Now I don't have that pain also.
Okay. Doctor, as you are in PGI, you are doing residency here. Do you have some message for your colleagues?
They have to volunteer themselves for vaccination. Then only the public will get confidence to get vaccinated.
Okay. You are doing residency in what?
In DM pediatric critical care.
Pediatric critical care. Okay. So there are many speculations regarding the vaccine, be it Covishield. It is a Covishield that you've been inoculated. And there is a vaccine called Covaxin also. So what do you have to say about the speculations?
In market, multiple brands are available. Now the government is promoting Covishield vaccine because of its efficacy. It has been, studies have shown that it is almost 70% productive.
Okay, so you want to tell this to your colleague that they should come forward and have it.
They will come definitely. Now only it has been started, so they will come definitely to it.
Okay.